Hello YouTube and welcome back to Redline Revs. Today I'm going to be removing these indents on my leather seat of my vehicle, and what I'll be using to do this is this heat gun on its sort of medium-high setting. Doesn't need to be cranked to the top, and then its second airflow setting. And you just want to heat up the area around the indent and the indent itself. And then you want to come in with your hands and start stretching the leather material all around the indent. And we're just going to repeat this process a number of times until we've got rid of it. So again, same process, going in with my heat gun. You don't have to use a heat gun, you could use a hairdryer for this. This is just a 25-pound basic heat gun I got from Amazon. And again, we don't want to get it too hot, so don't make it too hot. Don't hold the tip of the heat gun too close. Don't hold it there for too long. Just get it warm so it's more malleable. Go in with your hands and start stretching around the indent or the pressure mark on the leather. You can see it's already barely visible compared to before, and we're just going to keep on going. Just heating that area up. If you do use a heat gun, be careful about putting it down on the seat like you saw me doing earlier, because the tip of it could be hot, or will be hot, and it could burn the seat, so be careful with it. And again, here we go. You can see it's almost gone. Stretching around after warming up that leather. It's still barely visible there, so what we're going to do is repeat the process one more time, and hopefully that should get rid of this mark altogether. Here we go again with the heat gun. If you do use a heat gun, be careful with these things. You don't want children around them. Don't touch it with your skin. Don't put it down on the leather with the tip, because it will get hot. And now you can see about, what, 3 or 4 times we did that, and stretching it with our hands afterwards while it's warm, and that mark is pretty much gone from the leather. I've still got a little mark here on this corner, so I'm going to do the same process, bringing the heat gun close to it but not too close to it, warming it up but not overheating it, not trying to burn the leather. And in this case, this indent was so small that as the heat softens the leather up, it's just returning itself to its original shape. And I haven't even really had to rub this side, and there you go, it looks like new. So in my case, these marks were caused by a heavy child seat. You might have had that happen, or you may have had a button on your jeans that's caused a pressure mark, or you may have placed something heavy on the car seats. Don't panic, this is how you do it. As you can see before, there was this ghastly indent on the leather seats, and after the heat gun treatment, we've managed to get rid of it completely. So that's how you do it. That's how you fix these pressure marks and indents on your car. If you found this useful, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.